Can one perform worship, chant the holy name, or recite mantras in an impure state, for example post-toilet, urination, during periods, etc.? Can hymns praising God like Vishnu Sahasranam or Gopal Sahasranam be recited in an impure state? Hymns like Vishnu Sahasranam, Gopal Sahasranam, and other praises of the Lord are sacred scriptures that should only be sung or read in a pure state. For instance, if you are reciting these hymns wearing footwear used in the toilet, it is not appropriate according to scriptural guidelines. Chanting holy names like Radha, Krishna, Ram, Hari, etc. can be done in any state, but sacred hymns and prayers, such as Vishnu Sahasranam, should only be recited in a pure state. When reciting hymns, your attire and footwear must be clean and pure. Ensure that clothes and footwear used in the toilet or bathroom are not worn during the recitation. While chanting the holy name is permissible in any state, violating the rules of purity during practices like hymn recitation may increase tendencies like lust and anger. If these hymns are recited in a pure state, the mind becomes purified, and vices such as lust and anger diminish. Without maintaining purity, spiritual practices may not lead to progress, and instead, negative tendencies might grow. Chanting Vedic mantras, such as Panchakshari mantra or Dvadshakshar mantra, in an impure state can be harmful and may even cause mental disturbances. Can women perform worship, chant mantras, or engage in spiritual practices during periods menstruation? Using a rosary mala for mantra chanting, such as Sharnagati mantra or Nij mantra, is not allowed during menstruation. However, mental chanting of these mantras is permitted. Women can also chant holy name or mantras using counters or mobile apps. It is advised not to use a rosary, cook offerings bhog for the Lord, or serve the Lord during this time. However, these acts can be performed mentally. Touching scriptures and holy texts is also restricted during menstruation, but women can read or sing hymns via mobile apps. For example, during menstruation, women can read and sing hymns available on the Radha Keli Kunj app, excluding Gopal Sahasranam. According to the scriptures, purity is mandatory for hymns like Gopal Sahasranam and Vishnu Sahasranam, so reading and singing these should be avoided during this time. Can one chant mantras or holy name wearing footwear used in toilets? Using footwear that has been worn in the toilet is not appropriate for chanting Guru mantra. However, chanting the holy name of the Lord, like Radha Radha or Radha Vallabh Shri Harivansh, is permissible. Guru mantra should only be chanted when the body, clothes, seat, asan, and footwear are entirely pure. While chanting the holy name of the Lord can be done at all times, chanting Guru mantra or other sacred mantras with impure conditions or on an unclean mouth may increase tendencies like lust and anger.